how to reset chat pin on Messenger, reset end-to-end encrypted chat pin code. You can follow the step and solve this problem. First of all, you can open on Play Store, update on Messenger latest version. Open on Messenger apps, tap on 3 horizontal line, tap on settings, scroll down, tap on privacy and safety, click on end-to-end encrypted chat, tap on manage storage, turn on secure storage, choose create a 6-digit pin, tap on continue and reset your pin and solve this problem. You can solve this problem. This video helpful for us. You can like and subscribe my channel.